So hi guys, welcome to the channel. And today we have two two UPSC candidates who have successfully got their dream successful in year 2021. So it's Ravi Raj and Krati Raj. Oh, sounds so similar. So there's so much of Raj now. So hi Ravi Raj, how are you?
I'm feeling nice. How are you, dude?
I'm good too.
बढ़िया
Just
चल रहा है.
new morning, Sunday it is. So how are you doing, Krati Raj? Being long, we have talked.
I'm very good. Like अपन तो फोड़ रहे हैं,
ऐसे ऐसे.
I know.
अपन ही चमक रहे हैं,
अपन ही चमक रहे हैं. So रविराज एंड कृति.
अपना टाइम आ
असली
गया.
जिंदगी यही जी रही है.
जिंदगी शुरू हुई है अभी तो. So the first thing that I would love us to talk about is the motivation to start preparing for UPSC. Like हम देखते हैं बहुत सारे लोग they think about it but they never start. They think like it's very बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट चीज है एंड कुछ लोग सोचते हैं कि अपनी मेन स्ट्रीम जॉब छोड़ के करें. कुछ लोग सोचते हैं कि जॉब छोड़ दी तो बाकी फैमिली को इकोनॉमिकली कौन सपोर्ट करेगा एंड लॉट ऑफ फैक्टर्स की मतलब अगर ये जॉब छोड़ी तो बाद में नहीं हुआ तो फिर क्या होगा बिकॉज व्हेन देयर इज अ गैप इन योर एम्प्लॉयमेंट you it's very hard to come back to the employment back the way it was before. So what do you think about this, like this perspective of the people?
See, when we talk about the motivation, it is very individual specific. Some people like may want to go there for the quality of work. Some people want to go there for the social recognition. Some people have parental authority telling them to go for the civil services. But when we talk about motivation, it is something that should come from within.
Okay.
See, the kind of effort that is required to clear this exam, you cannot do that अगर कोई आपके पापा बोले या मम्मी बोले कि यार ये कर लो. It is too damn difficult to put so much of effort. So the only way and only reason to do this will come by yourself. And every individual have their own motivation to do it.
Okay.
Some people may like quality of life. Some people may like the work which is being done there. For me personally, it was the work which will be done there because I believe that it gives you an opportunity to work at the grassroots level. And the maximum learning happens once you work at the grassroots level.
Yeah.
And that was my main motivation to do it.
Okay.
And whatever be the motive, actually, see, the thing is, the motivation doesn't come all of a sudden.
True.
You may have some motivation in the beginning, but it grows as you come into the preparation. That will keep on upgrading, and then you'll have one solid motivation that will keep you going throughout your journey. So, and having that solid motivation is a very, very important necessity because the journey is full of ups and downs. So when you're feeling down, it is this motivation that is going to lift you up and put you on your study table. So you really need to have a very strong reason to do it. And coming to the working professionals, it is even more difficult because you have 8 hours of job in one day. Then you'll come back. You have to put the effort which is required to clear this. See, the exam is not going to be different for the person who is working and the person who is not working. It is going to be the same. So you have to ensure that you come at par with the people who are preparing it thoroughly and spending 8 or 10 hours every day. So you need to find out time as a working professional. The only way you can get time is to scratch it from wherever you can get it.
Okay.
So you have to make sure that you have a very firm commitment and have a smart strategy rather than doing just the labor, because it is up to you to ensure that you do whatever is required in the smart way to clear this one.
Okay. That's cool. And what about you, Kriti? How do you feel like you have coming from a totally different background, like
Yeah.
you're engineering and then started an NGO, did some social work, and then you prepared for UPSC. So how do you feel that your journey is, how it is relatable to other people too?
It is very different from a typical UPSC aspirant's journey. एंड रविराज तो लाइक वो बच्चा है जो हर पेरेंट को चाहिए होता है जिसने आईआईटी फोड़ दिया. एंड इवन आई नो फर्स्ट हैंड, मेरे भाई को मेरे पेरेंट्स बोलते थे मैकेनिकल लो, मैकेनिकल में अपॉर्चुनिटीज है, गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर है. एंड ही फॉलोड हिज हार्ट, उसे कंप्यूटर साइंस में इंटरेस्ट था तो उसने वो ली. तो मेरा तो मतलब मैंने इंजीनियरिंग, व्हेन आई गॉट इनटू इंजीनियरिंग आई वाज वेरी क्लियर दिस इज नॉट व्हाट आई वांट टू डू. दिस विल जस्ट प्रोवाइड मी सम प्रोफेशनल बैकिंग. Like coming from a middle class background, you need something to fall back on. And I was interested in computer science, so I took the opportunity. उसके बाद of course when I started my own NGO and I did not go for the corporate, that was a very conscious decision. और मेरे साथ जैसे रविराज ने बहुत सही बोला है कि मोटिवेशन इज समथिंग दैट विल ड्राइव यू फॉरवर्ड, क्योंकि ये जर्नी बहुत ट्यूमल्टुअस होती है. इट्स अ रोलर कोस्टर, अप्स डाउन्स, इट गोज वेरी अगली समटाइम्स. सो यू नीड टू हैव अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग व्हाई एंड वर्किंग ऑन द ग्राउंड, ग्रास रूट पे उन लोगों के बीच में उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स देख रहे हो तो तुम्हें लगता है यार तुम्हें तो सिर्फ पढ़ाई करनी है. यहाँ तो इट इज अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ समवंस लाइफ एंड डेथ. People are dying every day and you're getting an opportunity कि तुम्हें सिर्फ पढ़ाई करनी है and you could make a difference in their lives. So my why was right in front of me when I was on the field. और बस वही फ्यूल करता गया और पढ़ाई की. एंड अगेन थोड़ा दिमाग से आपको स्ट्रैटेजी बना के पढ़ना है. हार्ड वर्क के साथ स्मार्ट वर्क बहुत जरूरी है, तो डू इट वेरी स्मार्टली. एंड आई थिंक मुझसे ज्यादा स्मार्टली रविराज ने हैंडल किया एंड ही गॉट थ्रू इन वन अटेम्प्ट with such a good rank. Like 195 is great. मैं तो उस स्टेज पे थी, I was like कि लिस्ट में नाम आ जाए बस, और कुछ नहीं चाहिए. So he cracked it with a job, that too a very respectable job. Like he's a scientist in ISRO.
Yeah.
तो और क्या चाहिए आपको जिंदगी में? तो I mean
with that I come with another question of mine. Like UPSC like surprises, and they surprise with the results randomly at the evening of the day. So Raviraj,
yeah.
How did you come to know about the results are out, and what was your reaction? What were the reactions of people around you?
Well, I was in Goa in that day. I was chilling out in Goa. मेरे को result आएगा देखा जाएगा. And I was sleeping actually. I told my friends that if the results come, just let me know. So I think I woke up at 6:30 or 7 in the evening.
Okay.
And then I got to know my result through my friends. See, जब रिजल्ट आ रहा होता है ना, वी आर ऑल लाइक कि बस लिस्ट में नाम दिला दो. वी डोंट थिंक कि हाँ ये रैंक दे दो, ये रैंक दे दो. वी जस्ट थिंक यार लिस्ट में नाम आ जाए, बाकी तो सब हो जाएगा. देन इट वाज द फीलिंग एक्चुअली टुक सम टाइम टू सिंक इन कि ओके फाइन, क्लियर हो गया, अभी चिल करेंगे अभी. देन द कॉल स्टार्टेड टू कम, देन उसके बाद से वही चलता रहा, अभी तक वही चल रहा है.
So you're enjoying the success.
Yeah, sort of.
So how would your parents feel right now before you, or if you have a sibling, like do they feel something like, oh, I'm gonna follow your footsteps, or guide us, help us, even I want to do it the same way how you did? Because obviously when you are sitting
actually, I'm the youngest one in my I'm the youngest one, so nobody's going to follow me in my family. I'm pretty sure about it.
Cousins पे pressure आया क्या?
डेफिनेटली आया होगा. शर्मा जी का लड़का देखो कहाँ पहुंच गया, ये देखो कहाँ पहुंच गया, तुम्हारे साथ पढ़ता था, सेम क्लास में बैठता था.
रविराज इज आल्सो फ्रॉम उत्तर प्रदेश, तो रविराज के होम टाउन में हेडलाइंस आ रही है साइंटिस्ट बना आईएएस ऑफिसर.
अरे सीधा आईएएस. They don't care about your rank. 700 रैंक है, 200 रैंक है, they don't care. आईएएस बन गया भाई लड़का.
वो रिपोर्टर्स हैं, उनका काम है बस मसाला ऐड करना और मसाला बिकना चाहिए.
या they come and they ask कि कुछ कंट्रोवर्शियल हुआ है क्या जर्नी में, कुछ ऐसा हुआ है, आपने बहुत सफर किया है.
मैं तो पूछा सर आपसे बड़ा कुछ कंट्रोवर्शियल क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था क्या इंटरव्यू में, आपने कैसे आंसर किया सर उसको?
People relate with the story of the web series that we see as parents. अब वहाँ पे जो जिस तरह से डिपिक्ट किया, वहाँ पे भाई उसमें मसाला सब कुछ डाला हुआ है. So people think that every journey is like that. आप जाते हो, प्रिपेयर करते हो, दिल्ली जाते हो, वहाँ पे चाय पीते हो उस तरह से शाम को, you're a professor and everything like that. But I know
no, I would
work.
like to add something here. Like the day I met Raviraj, it was his first day in Delhi. Like that was the first time he had come to Delhi. So he has actually busted that myth कि दिल्ली आना जरूरी है.
Okay. And भाई
Raviraj, would you want to add to it?
बीच में डिस्टर्बेंस आ गया था. Can you repeat that?
Yeah. I was saying कि Raviraj has actually busted that myth कि दिल्ली जाके ही प्रिपरेशन होती है. In fact, the day we met, mock interview के टाइम पे वो पहली बार था कि वो दिल्ली आया ही था. तो जब हम मिले थे, that was actually the first day he had come to Delhi for just mock, like 1 or 2 he took mocks, और उसके बाद वो चला भी गया था. फिर वो सीधे आया था अपना इंटरव्यू देने.
See, अभी ऐसा है कि there's so much of information available online that you really don't need to go to Delhi. So why do you want to go to Delhi? It's just that you need that atmosphere, you need that environment in which you can prepare. But if you can stay at your home, you can have a very firm commitment, and you think that you can do it, and why do you really need to go to Delhi?
True.
And see, everyone has their own realities. Like मैं job के साथ कर रहा था, so I didn't have any time to go to coaching also.
Yeah.
So there are a lot of myths कि coaching के बिना नहीं हो सकता. It's not true. Delhi jana hi padega. That is also not true. The only reason why I came to Delhi was to see how the bureaucrats in the Delhi ask the questions,
Okay.
because I was giving offline mocks in Bengaluru. So the people who were there in the board, they were from the nearby itself. They were all from Karnataka. But I couldn't find any great difference between the questions that were asked here and the questions in the which were asked in Delhi,
Okay.
and even in the actual interview also. So there's a lot of information available online, lot of rumors regarding the preparation, which are really not true. There may be some substance to it, but believing that this is the only way to do it, that is not correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. And I'd like to add to it कि not going to Delhi and preparing from your home, it actually helps you because आपकी originality preserved रहती है. Your vibe is like when I met you, your vibe was very different from all the people in that room. Like you're a happy soul. You just came and you're like, hi. And even if he's going to see me on the road, he would shout my name and like, hi. So I think I've not seen that in Delhi aspirants इतना मतलब वहाँ पे ना थोड़ा hyper competitive सा माहौल भी होता
One
है.
second, one second. Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Huh. I know that because see, one thing which the advantage you get in your home is that suppose you get very stressed out during your preparation. बहुत ऐसा होता है. So you have someone to talk to. You have your friends to talk to. But in Delhi, suppose if you live in Mukherjee Nagar and you want to get out of the phase of your preparation, want to chill out, there is no way for you because everyone around you is talking about UPSC and civil services exam. आप मुखर्जी नगर में बाहर निकल जाओ वो पढ़ा देंगे. So you don't really get to chill out. So that is one advantage you get at your home.
True.
And that is very, very important because sometimes it does happen, you get stressed out a lot. For example, when I was preparing, I started 6 months late into the preparation. People usually start from April or May. I started from September end. And the prelims was in May 2020.
Yeah.
So I had very, very little time with me. Then the COVID came and the lockdown came, and we got 2 months extension. So in that 2 months, I made sure that I finished my option. Usually it takes around 4 to 5 months to finish an optional. I finished my option just 2 months. And in that time, I really slogged for 14, 16 hours. So once you do that continuously every day, you really need someone to talk to just de-stress yourself. And that is where sitting at home, or I was in Bengaluru with my friends, that really helps a lot. So going to Delhi, I don't think that it is really a necessity. It's up to you to decide whether you want to go there or not.
That's true. So it seems like a journey has been different for different people, and even you just said like it's not important that everyone follows the same thing because everyone's has a different capability and different way of doing things to understand and learn and to process it. So how do you used to normally de-stress yourself when you are preparing? Like you said, like you used to talk to your people, talk to your friends, or go out. Like you said, when after the exams or the interview, you went to go out to chill out. So is it like
Yeah.
a normal way of escape from a normal life, like you do, like you travel or just go out and chill out with your friends? Like I remember, like I lived in Bangalore, and what we used to do after the office, like come back from the office and go to the tea stall and just have a tea and you are chilled.
See, I was a person who, before the preparation, I was a person who used to go out on the trips every weekend in Bengaluru.
Okay.
I came to Bengaluru in July 2018. Until July, August 2019, I just traveled for 1 year.
Okay.
I have been to a lot of places. But after coming into the preparation, I knew that I had no time to do this.
Okay.
Because weekends is the time that you have in your hands in which you can really slog for 14 hours and finish your syllabus. Because in your first attempt, finishing the syllabus is the biggest challenge that you have.
Yeah.
But again, we are human beings. We need time to de-stress ourselves. So sometimes I used to listen to songs, talk to people, sing some songs, go and play badminton, do some workout. So it's very individual specific. What gives you pleasure, you should do that. Some people like sports, some people like reading novels, some people like watching TV series. But it is important that you you are in a good physical and mental health.
Yeah.
Because we don't realize the value of our health until we fall sick. I had fallen sick before prelims also, and I had fallen sick before mains also.
Yeah.
And I don't know whether it impacted my exam or not, but we don't realize our value of our health because we put so much of effort into this. So it is important that you don't stress out too much.
True.
It is going to be there. Stress is naturally going to be there. Anxiety will be there, but you have to realize the fact that the more chilled out you are into your preparation and into your exam, the better you are going to perform in it.
What about you, Kriti? How do
Also,
you?
Raviraj has got a flute today. Raviraj has started
nice.
playing flute just from today. So he's so full of life कि अभी result आया है, sir break लेने की वजह he has started going on to new adventures, exploring new avenues.
That is so good. Like even
Yes, yes.
it is important to just try new stuff. Like even I do it right now. Like I came over here, and to be true, I came to Dublin all alone, and I had no friends, I had no family members, no one. Like when I came, it was only me and my studies and my things for myself. So I have to figure out a different thing. Like what should I do to make myself busy? And started different stuff. Like I started traveling, I started photography, I started making videos. So yeah, I know. Now I know he's relaxed. He has achieved what he wants, and now he wants to try more stuff. And I'll say good luck to him. Like he is gonna be one of the best person in the bureaucrats now. And
Actually, one of the coolest bureaucrats, I can definitely say.
oh,
Thank you.
yeah. So how about you, Kriti? Like, what do you want now? Like, I don't know. You want to go for a Euro trip? You want to go out of India? You want to explore more? And Raviraj also loves traveling, and he is
Yeah.
trying to learn do the flute.
We may plan a Euro trip sometime like together. आते हैं हम
Sure,
मिलने
sure.
आपसे देखेंगे
Oh,
हम
yes.
आपके आसपास क्या है.
बहुत पानी है, पानी ही पानी and बहुत घास है. लाइक यहाँ पे हम फार्म जो होते हैं तो हम सिर्फ खेत होंगे यहाँ पे नहीं, खेत में सिर्फ घास लगी हुई है, घास को बकरियां खा रही हैं बस. मैं यहाँ पे गेहूं का है. जस्ट हैव ग्रास. मुझे ओके यहाँ
हाँ,
पे
तो
सही है,
just
सही
have
है.
the dairies. That's it.
एंड देन ही ऑल्सो टोल्ड मी वंस कि वहाँ जो पिजन्स होते हैं ना वो ऐसे चलते हैं टिक टॉक
Yeah,
उड़ते नहीं है जब
they-
तक कि बहुत ज्यादा अल्टीमेट नीड है उड़ने की.
they are easy.
Chilled out pigeons है यार, ये ऐसे ही pigeons चाहिए दुनिया में.
You literally walk in beside them and they will walk. अगर तुम उनके पीछे भागोगे तो वो भागना स्टार्ट करेंगे, वो उड़ेगा नहीं. वो भी भागेगा. So yeah, it's a
Laid back
different-
अपनी लाइफ में chill
Yeah.
कर रहा है.
it's a very different world
Yeah.
because no one disturbs anyone else. मतलब लोग भी अगर बाजू से निकल जाएंगे कि they won't say excuse me, they will be like sorry because they just तुम्हारे बाजू से निकलेगा, तुम्हारे एक पर्सनल स्पेस छेड़ दिया. I'm like okay, totally a different world because it took me time to understand. Okay, sorry भी बोलते हैं ऐसे. Like sorry and thank you become like okay, sorry, thank you, sorry and thank you. But apart from my end, I'll ask you guys like अगर अभी कुछ करना, like do you want to guys to want to prepare for something else again?
अभी
Very, very difficult
अभी
question
कुछ
to
नहीं
answer.
कर. इनफैक्ट आज प्रीलिम्स हुआ है एंड हम दोनों सुबह बात भी कर रहे थे कि थैंक गॉड प्रीलिम्स से मुक्ति मिल गई, सही टाइम पे मिल गई.
भाई,
आई
आज
मीन
एग्जाम हॉल्स निकल रहे हो
अभी
so
तो
unpredictable that you just really don't want to come into it.
yeah. Plus this whole process was so intensive, so you definitely need a break now. तो अभी बस एफसी की तैयारी.
What is actually?
रविराज ने
खरीदेंगे.
शॉपिंग शुरू की.
Yeah, अभी नहीं करना है फाउंडेशन कोर्स की. FC's फाउंडेशन कोर्स 3 months फाउंडेशन
Yeah.
कोर्स we have in Mussoorie. So करना है सूट खरीदना है.
क्या खरीदना है?
सूट्स
Suits.
सूट्स
Okay.
बंगलास
You're not
एंड
see in foundation course का एक जो लेटर आता है इसमें it is written in bold jeans are not allowed in foundation course.
या
At
दैट
any
इज द
point of
रीजन
time.
आई एम वेयरिंग ऑल माय ड्रेसेस इन द इंटरव्यूज, क्योंकि उसके बाद एक कितने 2-3 साल तो फिर अभी मतलब कुछ ऐसा पहनना ही नहीं होगा.
And once you come into the services, you don't expect IAS IPS jeans पहन के आ रहे ऑफिस में, मस्त टी-शर्ट या मेटालिका की टी-शर्ट पहन के आ रहे. That is not allowed.
सर आपको तो वर्दी
you have
मिलेगी.
अरे हाँ, मेरे को वर्दी मिलने वाली है.
That is good. But that's a different vibe when you go in the formals. And I remember like
Of course.
when I used to go to office in India, it was like Monday to Friday. Monday to Thursday it's formal, Friday is casual. So it used to be like, okay, I get a vibe of going to the office. So I'm sure that you guys will enjoy it too. and I know Ravi Raj enjoys it too. Again, he's already working in his role, so I hope you will not be missing your previous place where you work, and you enjoy the more of the excitement, more of the success, I'll say, for both of you. And any of your opinion or code that you will say that will help the aspirant to think about it, that pushes you more and
See,
more.
have a very strong reason why you want to come into the civil services, because you should not regret that you have left your very calm and chill life and then you're going into a village
Yeah.
working there. Have a strong reason why really you want to do this. And if you have that strong reason, then there's nothing that is going to stop you.
Okay,
Whatever be the odds that you are going to face, you will overcome them and you will come into the list. So have that very, very strong reason.
that's good.
And I'll say कि since motivation part पे रविराज बोल चुके हैं, तो one thing is that UPSC is very intensive and it takes a toll on you. So have a life beyond UPSC. It's very needed. वो जो एक लगता है ना लोगों को कि यार IAS की पढ़ाई कमरा बंद करके बस किताबों के बीच में लगे रहो और कुछ नहीं करना है, कोई हॉबी नहीं है, कहीं ट्रैवल कर लिया तो पाप है, ऐसा नहीं है. You need to de-stress yourself. And वो पर्सनालिटी टेस्ट में भी इनफैक्ट इट वाज नॉट अ टेस्ट ऑफ योर नॉलेज. टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द प्रोसेस तुम्हें अपनी पर्सनालिटी टेस्ट करवानी है, तो वो पर्सनालिटी डेवलप करने का टाइम भी अभी ही है व्हेन यू आर कमिंग फॉर दिस जॉब. सो स्टार्ट बिहेविंग एंड लिविंग एंड एवरीथिंग व्हाटएवर यू आर डूइंग. तुम्हें इस गोल को ध्यान में रखते हुए यू नीड टू कार्व आउट अ लाइफ. तो सिर्फ पढ़ाई वाला एग्जाम नहीं है या जो लगता है रट्टा मार लो, किताबें पढ़ लो एंड यू क्रैक इट, वैसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. एंड यूपीएससी खुद जिस हिसाब से मॉडिफाई होता जा रहा है डे बाय डे, जिस हिसाब से चेंजेस हो रहे हैं, इट्स बिकमिंग अनप्रेडिक्टेबल एंड समवेयर इट्स प्रोवाइडिंग अ लेवल प्लेइंग फील्ड टू एवरीवन, बिकॉज नाउ किसी ने डिकोड करके नहीं रखा है, किसी कोचिंग वाले को नहीं पता है, दिल्ली जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. तो यूज योर ओन ब्रेन्स, कैसे करना है, क्या करना है, तुम्हारी लाइफ है, उससे अपने अकॉर्डिंगली करो, बहुत स्मार्टली खेलो.
And one thing which is very, very important, which I have seen also, not to be overconfident into the preparation, especially about your background. People coming from IITs or triple IITs or whatever be the institution, high prestigious institutions, don't think that since you are from this IIT, you have a very good background, you're going to do very, very well in the exam. Because the exam
I guess there's a voice lag.
preparation demands are two very different things. So leave it and prepare
Raviraj,
properly.
sorry to interrupt you, but then we couldn't hear you for a minute. There was some glitch.
Yeah,
So could you please
the last
repeat it?
Okay. Yes, again, I'll say that not to be overconfident regarding your background, whether you're from an IIT or you're from any prestigious institution. Exam is same for everyone, and everyone has to start from scratch. You may have some advantage that okay, you have studied this probably in your graduation, so you can do well in this. But ultimately, at the end of the day, it is the same exam for everyone, and you have to start from scratch in this. So it's better if you leave your overconfidence at your doorstep itself and come into the preparation properly.
Yeah, that's very true.
important.
In fact, don't be overconfident about any individual subjects. Like some people think कि ऐसे तो मैं निकाल ही लूंगा, या कंपलसरी पेपर्स हैं वो तो हो ही जाएंगे, या ऑप्शनल को लेके कि ये तो मेरा बैकग्राउंड है, इसमें क्या इन्वेस्ट करना. तो डोंट हैव दोज नोशंस. यहाँ पे रोज गेम बदलता है. यू नीड टू बी प्रिपेयर्ड टू हैंडल एवरीथिंग.
Okay, I guess the same thing happens in all the exams and preparation. Like,
Yeah.
if you are overconfident, it will take you down for sure.
Of course.
And it's a very, very unpredictable exam. You think that you have done great in one subject, and turns out you have not done well in that subject once you see the mark sheet. So it's very, very unpredictable. So you make sure that you put all the effort which is required so that you don't have the regrets later on that, okay, maybe I could have done this, but I didn't do it.
Yeah.
So make sure that you put all the efforts which are required to clear it.
That's true. That at least give your all 100% efforts and don't say later that, okay, if I would have worked harder, I would have got there. Or if I would have not taken it lightly, I would have got there. Yeah. So,
right.
Yep. I guess like now I know you guys are busy. People must be waiting for you to meet, and won't take you much of time now. I would say just thank you and all the best for your future endeavors. And I hope we will be in contact again because people are looking forward to more and more advice. Because I know it's not gonna be like something that can change their life, but also it can help them to mold it in a way that can help them, or a path that they can start following, because we know like everyone says that okay, I am the right person to reach out, but we don't know who is the right person. Not every teacher is a good teacher to every student.
See, toppers talk is very, very important once you enter into the preparation because there's no one to guide you.
Yeah.
For me, there was no one to guide, and whomsoever have done it, they have not been able to clear mains also.
Yeah.
So whatever information that I could get regarding the preparation, I got that from the toppers talk itself and from YouTube. So make sure that you watch these videos, see whether the things that he is doing, whether you can do that or not, whether you are missing out on anything. And most importantly, once you look at the people who have, for example, cleared it in their fourth and fifth attempt, learn from their mistakes beforehand itself so that you don't commit those mistakes. See what mistakes they have done, whether you are doing it or not, and improve upon it rather than just looking at the toppers video and admiring them. So that is very, very crucial thing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
true. That is how I also, worked on the exam and how I formed my own strategy because सबका देखा, सबका सुना, फिर किससे क्या कनेक्ट करना है, किससे क्या लेना है, वो अपने हिसाब से थोड़ा बहुत मोल्ड करते हुए. And truly, like I did not go to Delhi for this attempt. Like I was here working. तो फिर मुझे था मतलब मुझे टॉपर टॉक से बहुत हेल्प मिली एंड दिस इज एक्चुअली माय वे ऑफ गिविंग इट बैक कि इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे आई वांट टू पुट आउट द ट्रुथ. यहाँ कोई मैं प्रमोशन नहीं कर रही हूँ या कोई कोचिंग वाला मुझसे कुछ नहीं बुलवा सकता है. तो दिस इज लाइक जो नोशन होता है लोगों को कि टॉपर्स टॉक्स में कई बार ट्रूथ नहीं बोला जाता है. दिस इज माय चांस टू स्टे द ट्रूथ क्लियरली कि भाई ये पढ़ा था और इतना ही पढ़ा था और ऐसे ही पढ़ा था. तो आई थिंक मे बी ये सब पे अप्लाई नहीं करेगा, इसमें से जो आपके काम का है आप वो लो, बाकी टॉपर्स टॉक्स भी सुनो एंड देन फ्रेम योर ओन स्ट्रेटजी.
That's good.
See, the strategy is going to be very, very individual specific because how I have studied in my school time about the social sciences and where do I stand right now? Do I really need to study NCRTs? These are all very individual specific things. So everyone has to introspect at what do they really need to do to clear this exam rather than just blindly following anyone's strategy.
Okay.
Right. Raviraj, I'm a little inquisitive about what was your day like when you were working and you were preparing. So how you used to manage the time?
Well, for a working professional, the life does become hell once you enter the preparation because again, you have a lot of paucity of time and I was late into the preparation, so I had even less time. So I used to get up initially at 8 o'clock, 8:30, 8 o'clock in the morning, reach your office by 9 o'clock, be there till 5 o'clock, 5:30, and come back, start studying at 7 o'clock, study till 1 o'clock, have your dinner by 1:30, and again sleep. That was my cycle from September to Feb. I mean, for 4 or 5 months, and it really was a very, very demanding preparation. I got a bit of relief when the COVID actually came and the lockdown happened. We started
How
working from
sad is
home.
that?
People are
How
going to come back on
sad
this.
is that?
So that is when I got some time because it was work from home. So I used to finish my work very quickly and then I used to focus on my preparation. So,
Yeah.
but again, it was very, very demanding. And especially between prelims and mains because I had very less time. I didn't have enough time to prepare current affairs also properly
Yeah.
after August 2020. So I took a lot of gamble. I did a lot of gambling that I'll not read current affairs. Whatever compilation is available, I'll read that and I'll just give that exam. Even after 1 month of prelims, my syllabus was not finished. So it was a very demanding, but again, I had ensured that I'll clear it in my first attempt itself, and whatever effort is required, I'm ready to put that one. So again, it was that firm commitment that helped me clear this exam.
राइट।
That's a
तो
hard work.
आपदा
That's
को
a journey.
अवसर कैसे बनाना है ये आप रविराज अवस्थी से सीख सकते हैं।
आपदा को
इन्होंने आपदा को अवसर बनाया और उसको अपनी स्ट्रैटेजी में
When I
यूज
got
किया।
that extension for 3 months, 2 months during the lockdown, initially May में prelims था and September में mains था.
हाँ
So I didn't have even a bit of a confidence that I could do well in mains. क्योंकि सितंबर में शुरू किया था, ऑप्शन कुछ याद था नहीं, एंड कॉलेज में भी ऐसा नहीं कि आपको उस लेवल का पढ़ा दे मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग। प्लस मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग बहुत बड़ा ऑप्शनल भी है, इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम टू कवर दैट। So when I got those 2 months, I made sure that I'll make the best use of those 2 months. तो उसको फिर मैंने बहुत बहुत ज्यादा मतलब घिसा, ऑप्शनल खत्म किया। जब ऑप्शनल खत्म हुआ तब कॉन्फिडेंस आया कि यस आई कैन डू इट नाउ, कि अब मेंस भी हो सकता है। And I think it paid off quite well. My score in optional was 300, which is quite good.
which is commendable, I must say. So it's very good, and I know how much effort you've put into this. Finally, it has paid now. So Abhi, I'm very happy for you. In fact, you're someone I respect because I understand ये journey kitni intensive, and to do it in one attempt, in one go, with a job that's also very demanding, and you're a very responsible person as far as I know you. So you were tackling both the jobs very well.
Yeah.
And I'm very proud of you.
And even we all are like we have two very talented people who will be joining the bureaucrats and helping the society to be a better place to live in right now. So thank you guys and wish you
Thank you.
luck and hope we will meet soon. Yeah.
Sure,
Yeah.
sure, definitely.
Sure,
And guys,
sure.
don't
Looking
forget
forward.
to and guys don't forget to like, subscribe and comment the video link, and I will be posting more videos for you and for your help. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.